hindi siya masaya guys kasi nakalimutan namin yung kanyang hat. Sabi ko, meron naman dito na spare nila. Gusto niya talaga yung hat niya. Alam niyo naman to siya na super picky sa mga sinusuot niya. We'll bring it when we come pick you up this afternoon, okay? Kasi babalik ko sana dito. Kasi, babalik ko sana dito kung wala kaming lakad ngayon. But kailangan namin pumunta sa Nissan para ipa-service yung sasakyan natin. And we're actually late already. So, I can't bring it back straight away, but I'll bring it later when I come pick you up. Okay? This is my baby. I love you. Woo! Kakapark lang namin dito, guys. What am I gonna do? Bring this one. Or maybe just leave the bag here, yeah?
It's not a critical item, so it's not necessary. It was just while we got the car, if you wanted that carried out today. No, 10 minutes. Yeah, I take the car up right now and get it done for you. Okay, sure. Yeah, absolutely. I'll just shoot up now and get it done for you.
Drop na natin yung sasakyan natin dyan, guys. Sabi nila mga 1 or 2 o'clock daw matatapos. Kasi sabi namin, we have to go back to pick up Paris sa school at 3. So, kailangan namin bumalik beforehand. So, we'll see. Tatawagan nila kami kung kami na din. But, yeah, between 1 to 2. It's a beautiful day. Si Kuya naman, oy, very noisy naman si Kuya. Uy, ang aga-aga. So, punta muna kami siguro ngayon sa cafe. Kasi, nagmamadali kami kaninang umaga. Wala pa kaming kape-kape. So, magkakape muna kami. Si Ate Paris pala guys, na-drop na natin kanina before babysitting. So, hindi ko na na-vlog. Kasi, yun nga, nagmamadali kami. Kasi, ito namang car service natin. Sobrang aga guys. 9 o'clock. Tapos, kailangan pang tawag nito? Kailangan pang i-ready yung mga kids. Tapos, mag-drive pa papunta dito. So, medyo late nga konti pero okay lang naman sa kanila guys. Wala namang problema. Just let them know beforehand na medyo late ka. Okay sa kanila. Hello, how are you? Very good, thanks.
After takeaway? Dine in.
Oh, dine, I'll have it here. Thank you. I'll grab a hot chocolate. Thank
Glass or
you.
a mug?
And a mug, that would be great. Thanks. Can I also have the almond croissant toasted?
Do you want marshmallows?
Yes, please.
And lemon croissant toasted.
Thank you. Sorry? Oh, Jack.
What's that?
Glass or a mug?
I'll have a glass, thank you.
Almond croissant toasted, guys. And then have a look at this hot drinks. Ang ganda-ganda. Sure. Diba? Parang ayaw mong inumin. Diba? Gusto mo na lang tutigan. Because business is life, guys. So habang meron tayong mga ganap sa labas, kailangan din nating tawag dito, focus pa rin sa business natin. So yesterday may customer tayo na gusto mong hingi ng video. Hello! may visitor. May gustong manghingi ng video ng isang bag guys. But yesterday, we were so busy din. Kasi nag-drive kami papuntang Gold Coast para mag-top up sa shop natin. Alam niyo naman guys, sobrang tagal ng drive. So it's not sobrang tagal, but then back and forth. Parang ano din, 3.5 hours din na ganun. So wala tayong time kasi pagkabalik natin ng bahay, pick up straight away kay Ate Paris, may mga ginagawa pa. So kahapon hindi ko nagawa. And then since today, meron tayong nakaputi pa naman ako ng shorts guys. Oh, mabuling. Meron tayong dali, say hi. Meron tayong ganap ulit. Sabi ko, dadalhin ko na lang yung bag kasi alam ko dito may time kami habang ginagawa nila yung servicing sa sasakyan natin, dito ko na lang gagawin. So diba, kailangan mag-multitasking tayo guys kapag ano tayo, pag magbe-business tayo, diba? So we have this Celine box bag. Ganun. So, sa posting kasi guys, meron siyang medyo maliit scratch dito sa likuran. Hindi siya malalim na scratch. I hope you can hear me properly guys. Sobrang mahangin talaga sa labas. Kita niyo yung buko, feel na feel ko. Parang ano ako, sumusunod sa galong. Nag-rejoice. Ganyan. Gusto niyo makita ito. So, kailangan kong gawa ng video para makita niyo. Hopefully, it's not a big deal para sa kanya. Mabenta natin. But this is the 24 centimeters. Pwede ito siya i-cross body. Pwede din siyang i-adjust dito para gawin siya kilikili bag. Pakita ko sa inyo. Akin sana to eh. Kaya lang medyo nalalaki. Meron akong maliit na version nito. So yun lang yung meron pag isa dito, isang customer ko din sa market na pinupuntahan ko, nakabenta ako sa kanya na Burberry trench coats, ganyan, and then sabi niya kasi uuwi na siya sa country niya, ay Germany ata siya, and then sabi niya baka daw meron pa akong scarf na Burberry para sa kanyang kapatid. So ayan, picturean ko rin to, ano to siya, cashmere. So itong dalawa lang yung bit-bit ko guys. Itong aso ba?
It's like my dog. That's Bolt.
Oh yeah?
Exact same breed. That's the exact same. What
Is that stuffy?
Exact same.
Got a big head. Anyways, let us do this. Okay, tingnan nyo ang diba? Sobrang ganda ng puno guys. Ito rin naman. Ayan. Ang ganda-ganda dito guys. Picture tayo kay Daddy Mike dito sa ilalim ng puting ilaw. Hindi pa rin tapos yung sasakyan natin guys. So manalanghalian muna kami dito ni Daddy Mike. Dito kami sa isang Thai restaurant. Malapit lang dito. Nilakad lang namin guys from kung saan kami kanina. Very to siya. Parang homemade ba? Oh, tingnan nyo. Pambahay talaga Smells so good. Umorder ako ng tom yum. Guys, it's nearly 1 o'clock ng hapon. And we are just sitting dito sa bench na nasa ano lang, harapan lang ng ayan o, dyan natin pinaservice yung sasakyan natin. So we're just waiting for an update from them, guys. Tatawagan kami or text message na ready na yung ating sasakyan. But for now, wala eh. Daddy, my phone is dying.
It's gonna. Okay, bye.
Sure ba? Yeah. So, maybe punta lang kami doon. Sabi nila ni Mike, kung doon kami sa loob ng kanilang office, baka mas madaliin nila. Kasi nandun na kami naghihintay. Yeah, maybe we'll just go. Ang aking battery ay it's getting dying na. Is that church ba?
Where?
Is it that one? Look.
There? Yeah.
Well, there's a cross. That's a church. Look at that one. Oh, the BYD is here. Service.
You on?
No,
You like it?
I'm happy with my Nissan.
Build your dreams.
The BYD. I don't really like it.
You like the truck? You like the blue truck? Do you like the Land Rover? Defender?
Defender, yeah. Oh yeah.
Range Rover?
Range Rover. I'll take that. Yeah, Tesla? No? Oh, they got proposed change to approval. Oh, the move? I'm done hiding. With finally natapos rin, guys. It's 1:30 ng hapon.
Valet.
Huh?
Valet.
Ilang oras din, ha? How much was it, eh?
$249, but they want us to spend another 864, 65, 88, and they quoted us 1,310 for the mirror full on that.
Really?
So I'm saying we can get Edgar to do this shit.
What's this one? Replacing
Front brake pads.
Oh, okay. Rear wipers? Front wipers.
Yeah.
Mm.
I reckon we.
So,
I reckon,
what did they do? Like, today? Wait, it should show here.
Yeah.
Inspected road wheels, tires, and tire pressure. Okay, so does that mean they inspected it and if it needed more?
Yeah, the pump is just the tread's low.
Hi again, guys. Time check tayo. It's 4 in the afternoon. And si Daddy Mike kanina umalis 3 o'clock pa kasi pinick up niya sa Ate Paris and then pumunta sila ng jiu-jitsu class. Si Mami ay nagpaiwan dito sa bahay kasi ang dami ko pang ginawa, guys. Hindi pa ako nakaupo since pagka-uwi namin, but laban lang tayo sa life natin. Laban lang tayo sa life natin. Kasi, yung ginagawa ni Mami nyo, guys, nagpapack ako ng mga orders natin online. So, meron tayong 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, ayan. Six items na kailangan dalhin sa post office and I really have to go very soon kasi baka, mamiss natin yung post office. While I was packing nito, ay nakatanggap ako ng notification na we sold another one. But then, kailangan ko pa siyang linisan, guys. So, hindi ko siya ipupush today. I-post ko siya bukas. Kasi tonight, kailangan siyang leather lotion and everything. Kasi kailangan parang presentable pagkarating sa customer. So, ito muna. And then, pick up Celine. And then, pick upin natin si Ate Cash kasi Daddy Mike. And, kailangan kong paalahanan yung sarili ko, guys, na uminom ng tubig. Kasi yung ulo ko ay sumasakit. Sumasakit na yung ulo ko kasi nakakalimutan kong uminom ng tubig, guys. Sakit na yung ulo ko. Dito, oh. Dito, may mga parts ng ulo ko na masakit, guys, kapag ginaganon ko. So, I'm very happy kasi meron na naman tayong sales. And sa mga gustong mag-avail, guys, ng ating mga paninda, ang ating link ay nasa description box below. So, if nandito kayo sa Australia, yeah, please reach out. Support din sa atin nyo, guys, kung may time. Tulog si mami nyo, guys. Sobrang sakit ng ulo ko kanina. Grabe. Pag-uwi namin, pinick up ko sa Ate Paris na ni Daddy Mike sa jiu-jitsu. Straight away sabi ko kay Daddy Mike, I'll go have a lie down. Kasi sobrang, yung ulo ko, sinabi ko kanina, di ba? Yung ulo ko parang, basta sakit-sakit. Anyways, nakagising ko lang. Actually, nakagising ako kanina pa. But, nakaano lang ako sa bed. And I feel like gutom a little bit. So, nagluluto ako ng kanin dyan. And then, meron ako ng pan dito. So, magluto tayo ng ito yung mga maliliit na bulinaw, bread and chubby. Tapos, mag-ano din tayo ng latni para sabaw. Sabaw tsaka bulad. Perfect. Si Ate Paris, sobrang tagal na niyang humihingi ng bulad. Tuyo. Sinasabihan niya ako palagi, Mami, when are you going to tuyo? Ate, what are you doing, Ate? Playing share, anak? So, Ate can watch too.
Sing.
8, please. Tapos suka.
Hi guys, so now we're having bulad that Mama cooked. It's really yummy. One of my favorite nuts.
You gonna eat bulad, Leg? Lini?
I want bulad.
You don't want bulad?
How?
A few moments later.
Alright, so I'm just giving the banana stickers, okay?
Yay!
Not the great work and the wow and all that. If I call your name, come to me and I'll give you your sticker. Paris Mackenzie? Your shirt is the other way.
Oh no.
I'm giving you this sticker for getting your stripe at Jiu-Jitsu today and for doing your audition tomorrow. Okay? Congratulations. Okay. Shall we have another one?
Yeah.
Celine Mackenzie? I'm giving you this banana sticker because you're being a good girl, not asking for surprise today.
And
Yeah.
you were cuddling on me.
You understand that every day you don't get surprises every day. Okay? It happens from time to time, but don't expect surprises every day. Okay? Good girl.
That's your surprise. That's all I put it.
Good job.
Say
Looking
scratch
great.
And smell
Mm.
it. Smell it.
Congratulations, girls.
Thank you. Cute. That's
Love
really
you.
Wise. I like the banana.
Okay, bedtime now. Go to bed. Say good night.
Good night. Good night. Go shy.
I show you your slippers in day.
I'm sure I'm close.
Close.